Well, hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Happy Thanksgiving. I came on here early today to wish you happy Thanksgiving Eve. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving Day. And so, I haven't done it, I don't think I did a video last week, guys. Maybe one. I think I did one in the last few days. We went to Dallas, AT&T Stadium. It was Eagles Cowboys weekend, which they beat us, but it's just a game. It's just a game. We're the better team overall for all y'all Dallas fans out there. But nonetheless, I went home sad. It took me a few days to recover. But I'm an Eagles fan for life. But anyway, guys, so look, check it out. I'm also frustrated today. It's just like frustration today because I did my green beans, about to do these candied yams, and then discover I don't have any flour. So I had to send a hubby out to the store. And then I'm getting ready to make some stuffing. And then I'm gonna show you what kind of ham I got, okay? So, but to these, my candied yams, and let me let you guys look at them. I didn't make a whole lot, because sometimes I have a tendency to make too much. So this year I decided to, just not overdo it. So I have these candied yams, I boiled them, took the jackets off, and I have them nice and cut up. So to these candied yams, this is how I make mine. I use a half a cup of brown sugar. I grated some lemon, so I have that over here. I have a little grated lemon. You only need a little bit about a teaspoon. And then of course, I have salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. I do 4 tablespoons of butter. And with my candied yams, the trick is that everybody likes it, is because I put a cup of OJ in it. So that's the way I do my candied yams, and they come out really nice. Then as they get right toward the end, I put the marshmallows on top, really for the kids and stuff. Well, my kids like it too, but I put the marshmallows on top. So, but I need my flour. So hubby's, like I said, he's gonna run to the store and get that. So I wanna show y'all my honey baked ham. Now I bought a ham last year from Kroger, and those spiral hams, they're wrapped up, you can't see them, and it was, I would say, adequate. Okay, I thought it was a little too salty and a little too fatty. So this year I decided to, bite the bullet and go to the Honey Baked Ham store. So I did that. So I will adorn that with some cloves, a little mustard, brown sugar, and pineapple. So that's what I put on top of my ham. And so that's what we're having. So I'm just gonna run it down for you. So we're having ham. My husband and son, they're gonna fry turkey. I have some stuffing. I'll make a little gravy with that. We have some candy sweets. I'll make mac and cheese. I'll probably do that tomorrow morning. And we have some rolls, green beans, the usual suspects for Thanksgiving meals. So, and then for desserts, I decided I'm not baking a chicken picking thing. Hey, look, at the Honey Baked store, ham store, they have a red velvet cake. I'm gonna show you that. I bought an apple pie, I bought a cherry pie, and we have some whipped cream. Now, Christmas time, I might do a sweet potato pie, but sometimes you get tired of eating that. So I'm gonna stop right here, pause, and let you see let's unwrap my honey baked ham, okay? Keep watching. Okay guys, so let's unravel this. Now look how nice and lean that looks. Doesn't that look nice? Let me let you see the top of it. Oh, it's kind of, I don't want it to drip out, but look at that. That is so much better than a ham at Kroger. I just couldn't do a ham at Kroger again. And I do swine and dine, y'all. I do swine and dine. I don't swine all the time, but on occasions like Thanksgiving, I love a slice of ham. It's really tasty. Now, y'all. Let me show y'all this. Bam! Look at that. Do I need to make dessert? No, I don't. You talk about quick and easy meals. This is quick and easy baking. So that looks delicious. Now let me tell you this. I'm not gonna tell y'all how much the ham and the red velvet cake are. Y'all been to Honey Baked Ham, so you know the drill. But sometimes, you know, hey, look, it's a holiday, so let's leave it like that. All right, guys, so in addition to the red velvet cake, I forgot to say that I am gonna make a banana pudding, but I'm thinking about it because I'm thinking this might be enough desserts. But I got everything to make a banana pudding, and I might as well do it before these bananas go bad. But I have a cherry pie. We're gonna add some whipped cream to this. And then I have a Marie Callender's lattice apple pie. So we ready. We are ready, guys. We ready. So this should be a nice Thanksgiving. So, hey, look, you all, I hope that you have a blessed and wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and friends. You know, enjoy the games. If you have some relatives or friends or family friends that come over and they get on your nerves, you know how holidays can be sometimes. Get your mocktail or your glass of wine or whatever it is that you choose to drink. Put your feet up, look at that game, and ignore them. You know, I don't know why I said that, but you know, you hear that on TV. You know that sometimes you watch some of these rom-coms or whatever, and they have people that come over for a holiday, get on your nerves. So I just thought I'd throw that in there, keep it fun, because you know, I know y'all don't have no family and friends like that. But we've experienced a few. But anyway, guys, look, you all have a wonderful and blessed holiday weekend, and I'll see y'all after Thanksgiving, okay? Be safe out there.